today we have Carnotaurus and T-Rex. This is a Carnotaurus. Look.
Wow. What is that?
It's a Carnotaurus.
It got boo-boo?
It's just, it makes, actually dinosaurs have scratches early. Look. It's just cut through the teeth. Look.
Oh, that's a DNA?
Yeah. First you need to press this body. Then there's the other button right here. And the other one here. It moves the legs. Like this. They have tiny hair. Mouth.
Oh, it's so scary.
Look, he has dirty teeth, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's the stubble. See? It's brown. I forgot. Sorry. Look at these two. It's a T-Rex. What can it do? Look.
Oh.
It doesn't have body, but it's a T-Rex. Tyrannosaurus REX. They have brown body.
Wow, it's so big.
Yeah. But look at the tongue.
Oh. Scary mouth.
Look, he also has dirty teeth.
Yeah.
Look, he have scratches right here.
Oh, it got hurt?
Actually, dinosaurs have scratches. That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Dinosaurs have scratches, but they can be okay.
Can you show its tail? Oh, it has so big tail. Show the DNA. It has DNA?
No.
Okay. How it makes sound? Oh, we need to press that button. Oh.
Then actually it moves its legs.
Oh, nice.
Actually not like that. Just like this. Oh, actually one moves right here. Look, he has 4 arms.
Okay.
Whoa. Ooh. Look. Actually, the leg.
See.
Let's have a fight.
Oh, both are fighting. Which one will win? Oh.
Carnotaurus wins. Bye, friends. Thank you for watching.